Well, we had no idea what we were getting ourselves into with this one. Could probably fill a whole 5-gallon bucket, well, maybe 2 whole 5-gallon buckets of rat poop. I mean, there's piles and piles. Two junk removal and hauling, and we are ready to start the day. Let's do this. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to our first big job. We're going to be doing a 9-foot by 20-foot shed demolition and haul away, and we're happy to bring you guys along for the ride. What's up, Marky? Let's see if he can get this bad boy up the hill. You're good. Keep it coming. Good. All right. We got Marky here. Hold on, let's introduce Marky. Marky, say what's up to the viewers. It was a pretty steep driveway, but we did it. First try. So, this is the shed that we will be demoing today. And we will be removing everything inside of here. I'm guessing we could probably fit most of this in one load, but I don't know. We'll see. It'd probably be around 1.5 loads for everything. But it looks like we got some cool stuff in here. Like, what are these, skis? This place is infested with rat poop. Gotta wear our PPE here.
Marcus already getting to work, man.
Dude, I know. He's just a hustler like that. I'm trying to get
You're fiddling with your freaking PPE.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna let you do that. Thank you. Gotta get some gloves on real quick. This crap. Dude, oh, that's like a bloody rat. Dude, how do these... Dude, honestly, I'm just gonna... It is. Thank you. Mark, you don't want your respirator right now? Yeah. Don't want to get hantavirus. Huh? Whatever.
I don't know.
I feel like I am the Terminator. I am the Terminator. Dude, I seriously sound like a robot or something. Stop doing the sound. Excuse me.
Oh, okay. Maybe I should not be.
I don't think so. Here, hold on. Hold on, you get tripped up. Lift your right foot. Whew, I'm already out of breath.
gosh, my wrist almost touched that sheet.
Dude,
Yeah.
lick that.
Yeah, I'll give you $100 if you lick it and eat it right after, as well as the black widow egg.
Man, this is where you can just get all your anger out.
Here, wait, let me see in the sun. Pretty good.
This whole entire barrel filled to the brim with rat poop.
Let's see it.
Hand over hand. Then you take this, slide this through here, and twist towards you. Okay, now what?
Dang, look at you.
Trailer's all loaded up. We're forgetting one more piece of trash. You ready, Landon? No.
What do you have to say about what you just did?
Ready for a little water break. I don't want to touch these little.
wet your mask.
This is what's left to do. To make the cuts on the roof, get the roof down first, and then we're gonna make cuts. We're gonna do a cut all along that side. We're going to get the roof off, and then we're gonna section off these walls, cut with the Sawzall all the way down, and we're gonna get it done because we're your go-to guys. All right, now it's time to demo the shed. Let's do this. Oh, just kidding. Right here. These sections, so it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 sections. This thing's gonna burn up. It literally is burning up.
Wait.
So this old Craftsman Sears 2 horsepower skill saw has now taken a poo-poo.
You haven't even started yet.
All right, job is done. We just finished up. Customer's gonna come check it out. There it is. Shed demoed. Everything hauled away. Yeah, bud.
Looks good, guys.
All right.
All right, man. Thank you.
Yeah, bud. All right. That was our biggest job yet. 9-foot by 20-foot shed that we demoed and hauled away. This is the last load right here.
One dirty job.
There's like probably,
Bunch of rat feces
you
in
could
there.
probably fill up like 3 5-gallon buckets or more, like to the brim with rat poop. And
Pretty crazy.
We had respirators. It was gnarly, but yeah, we got it done. Let's go, Papa Mark. Boom.
Eight ounces.
Oh, there is a rat! There's a
Oh!
rat! Let's get it. Film it. Film it. Let's see.
Wait.
He's over here.
There it is.
He's underneath. Yeah. Okay. Oh, dude, he hit me.
Dude, you mean it? What if he has rabies or something? Did he get through your glove?
Get the pickaxe. Get his head. Oh my god.
There's another. Hey,
Landon.
as long as he didn't pierce through my skin, I think I'm good. No blood.
Let's go.
No blood. We're good.
Let's go.
No blood.
Honey,
we're
go
good.
take care of that one.